Okay, we're here. You read the title? Art series. Whatever it is. I'm gonna name every single character on the website. We start with overhaul and end it with the salt jacket. We will be skipping other concepts I do not know. But for the ticket characters, we will do them. Okay, like I said. Such pop. Because I'm not doing, I can't do overhaul. I can do overhaul now, but I cannot do drop and letting books drop plus 3. Anyway, I'll see you when we get to a game.
I will.
So we have got a thing, and we are about to drop. So
This is the spot.
I did make a video.
Alright. Level up.
8 months ago now. As of recording, that was my first time. Let's do the cave. Because my first video, which was the Eva guide, has yet to come out to me. I'm recording this.
Level up.
The main reason because I don't know if I'll be able to post tomorrow, so I do want to post an extra video. I know not too many people will watch this, but I'll still do it. I'm not gonna claim like myself. I ain't something like that. I'm not that. But that's not good. I don't like it.
We should grab it.
So I'll just say, you don't even have to sub. You can just come join, come chill with us. Link to this. I do stream on Twitch, so link will be in the description if you wanna come by and watch. Let's see how we do this game. So we're gonna do. I am in an agency where my.
Sophie.
Yes, we've heard of E-Rock Games. Good streaming should watch him. With E-Rock Games, or just E-Rock TV, and we're doing good guy, good content, love him. If you like overhaul, that's your go-to. He's
Move it.
Over. Oh, no, my.
Sophie.
An item! My heart's beating fast! An item! My heart's beating fast! Ooh, I want that!
Sorry about the comment, didn't see what this is in it. What?
Enough. Take this. Not ready yet.
This is an alright, and I don't want to be having to deal with him too much, but I might have to do.
They didn't run fast enough,
he's good.
so I took care of him.
It's half a joke.
Not everyone is in the safe area.
Thankfully, our teammate is absolutely
Is that
amazing.
an
Not a
enemy?
bad job, I guess.
Little joke. Yes, if you enjoy this, you don't have to. I'll just say that as well. Just watching, having you watch would be funny.
An item!
I'm just happy
My
that
heart's beating fast!
I can entertain some people.
Be careful. You might not
You
get off
do
easy.
take to one of has been probably my favorite thing.
Level up.
That's the most fun thing.
An item!
My
heart's beating fast!
I just
Ooh,
can't
I want
like
that!
string and
The safe area has
where's the killer?
brought to you by Present Mind.
I want to boost my quirk skill alpha. You'll help me, right?
It's an item. We should grab it. An item box appeared.
Dibs!
You'll die in fear.
Is that an enemy?
Weakling. Seriously? Pitiful. Watch it.
Oh, Thanks for saving me.
I did so bad. I wouldn't do it
Your legs.
for a reason, but this is actually important, and it replays back that to the basic starting factor.
Alright.
Swallowed up if you're not careful.
It just gets down to the level 9, so
Don't
that's
get
pretty
stabbed.
nice.
An item. An item. We should grab it.
Ooh, I want that.
What a nuisance.
I'm down for now. This time. Ooh, everyone's in the safe area.
Nowhere to run. You're worthless. Try dodging this. It's no use.
Thank you. Yeah, so I
Hopefully
don't
they
have
were safe.
any healing items.
Leave them alone!
How's this? What a nuisance. Take your last breath. You're... Left yourself open. Defend! What a nuisance. So deep.
And again, I just hope you guys
Dodging this.
I hope that anyone who was the main thing, like these, what's it character? He would love to go over and see
Thanks
how,
for saving me.
but that did,
Time for
I might make this a little bit.
Level up.
Again, just started.
You have nowhere to run.
Walking over these tracks. Oh! That did bug a little, so that's a little concerning.
Area moves in 30 seconds. I repeat, 30 seconds.
What a nuisance.
Thankfully, the
About
old
time.
systems back there, even this game is
You've all been waiting for. An
basically
item box appeared.
only the last CSVs
I
of your
wonder
season
what's in the item box.
Take your last
really.
breath. Give up. Plus chaos.
Oh, there's this player.
Nowhere to run.
If you want to see some,
Looks like
purple
Down for now.
watch.
What a nuisance. You can't win. You are an insect.
no way.
We are. She's up. She's up. She's up.
Give up. Give up. You're...
Want to go get a recovery
Really?
item?
What?
Use this.
You're up. You're up. You're up. You have to fire her.
Has changed.
No, you...
Yeah. Oh my. Over here. That's combo.
Nowhere to run. You're worthless.
Yeah. I can get you though.
Nowhere to run.
Thought somebody.
Give up. How's this?
30 seconds. Safe area moves.
Dodging
You'll get
this.
swallowed up if you're not careful.
Win. Out of my way.
Got him.
Watch it. In the Not yet. You'll die. What a nuisance.
These idiots are no match.
Good drop.
Level up.
What? Some allies aren't in the safe area?
You must run the ice. I'll create a filter. About time. Give it up! Take your last breath. You can't win. Get lost!
I don't care, but I'll join you if you want.
You are an insect.
And that's why I love him. He is so strong. Oh.
I'm down for now.
Watch out.
This sucks.
Nice. You'll die in vain. Get lost. Try it. I'll create a path. You're all sick.
Be a good hero.
Save me!
Your limits.
I don't want to bleed out. No.
Plus chaos.
He has to do that.
You have nowhere to run. Out of my sight. Filthy. Die. You're all sick. Die. You're nothing but trash. All right. Level up.
I'll stab you. Useful.
On fix on. Oh, it's
Save me!
Level up.
Want to bleed out?
You are an insect. Dirty rat. I'll destroy you. You're under my watch. What a nuisance. Get off! I will end you!
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Kidding!
But the y'all could be better than the goal. W though.
I'll create a path. You're all
Y'all don't want to disrespect the girl.
level up.
Yeah, this is
Time for a break. Oh, thanks for saving me.
It's no use. You're done. I'll create a path.
and in fact having so
Know your limits. Lost. You are an insect. Out of my sight.
yeah, he's dead.
Stay out of my way.
These idiots are no match for me.
Well, second to down, it's a little hard, we got him! GG's! So that was overhaul. And I think next up we have somebody. I don't know who though.
These are some fighters who know their stuff.
We will just do this like in one character so we can. So
Maybe
I think like spread it out like a one character. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll make it
I
one.
am overwhelmingly
Oh.
superior.
Yeah, I think we'll do that.
I'll take that.
We'll just. Yeah, that's pretty fun. It seems like it'd be pretty fun. And I
I'll
ranked
never
up.
quit.
Huh. We might do a few. We could just chill out. We'll play a few games. No, I think we'll just do the one. Because it's really late for me right now. It's recording it. It's dark. It's how late.
I'll take that.
So I think I'll end the video
I'll
again,
take that.
which so to the Wild 11, I'll put the
I'll
link
take that.
in the description and I'll link Evox as well. Again, don't have to sell. Just come back, keep watching. I'm happy with that. Hope you have a good day and see ya.